This is how bulbs work and the differences between them. Bulbs is a bit of a collective term for what is essentially a food storage system or organ called a geophyte. They're basically perennial plants that store food over winter, ready to regrow in spring. And the differences are, we have bulbs, which are daffodils, alliums and hyacinths. We have corms, which are gladioli or crocuses. We have tubers. Potatoes are tubers. These are dahlias, tuberous roots. And we have rhizomes, which are often ground cover plants that spread stems underground and shoot from those stems. Now with a bulb, you have a basal plate, which is where the roots grow from. And inside the protective layers, there's a new flower bud waiting to grow next season. The outer layer is called a tunic, which is a protective coat essentially. Now bulbs have been around for thousands of years, since the dawn of civilization, and they have been grown for food and flowers from the ancient Egyptians through to flower bulbs being sold in flower shops in the Ottoman Empire, through to more recently in the 17th century with the tulip mania economic bubble, where a single tulip flower bulb could sell for more than the price of your house. Now the really easy to grow bulbs, essentially you plant them 3 times their own depth, add some water and wait for the magic to happen, and that's it.